and the first to roll, heading into the air to simulate the sort of spotting sortie that aeroplanes of this type would have conducted over the Western Front, is the World War I Aviation Heritage Trust's Royal Aircraft Factory B-2, magnificently finished. Early models of the B-2 family were deployed early to the Royal Flying Corps in the first aerial recipient of the Victoria Cross in his single bomb attack on the railway near Courtrai Station, in which he was fatally wounded. Getting airborne to join it, we have the replica Royal Aircraft Factory SE-5A, and then that original First World War bomber, the Airco DH9. The B-2C went on to be used primarily for artillery observation, reconnaissance, light bombing, control work, night fight missions against centrepiece and other purposes. But the losses on the Western Front, especially for maneuverability, though it was a stable reconnaissance vehicle, as you can see here, the B-2 on a reconnaissance sortie above the German lines. The B-2, you can see here, is supposed to be an improvement in the airfield. So the DH9, escorted by the DH9 was intended as a strategic bomb, able to take the war to Germany in defiance of the German Zeppelin and Gotha bomber attacks on the I and the SE-5A. The engine you can hear there powering the DH9 is a 230 horsepower Albatros that proved highly troublesome when the aeroplane went into service. It won numbers with squadrons in France by April 1918. It's a constant engine problem. DH9s took seldom and fly around for you without trouble. Scouts like we've got here combating the DH9. We're up to 20 miles an hour quicker. Here, at least it has an escort in the form of the replica Royal Aircraft Factory SE-5A. It's taking more than a match with German adversaries. The SE-5A was mounted many famed Royal Flying Corps Royal Air Forces of the First World War. The likes of Albert Ball, who scored 17 of his 24 games to 61 kills, and James McCuff, most decorated Empire race.
They just go around Spain, France and Greece, trying out food, wrecking their mobile travelling homes.
Shut down three of those who saw. The structural problems that was put to the triplane service until 1918. Germinators of World War I scored most of the victories now. The Albatros types, having helped hold the line until the Fokker DH9 came along in the early 1980s, stayed in service until the armistice. It hadn't quite been the advance.
Sorting.
It's actually quite
Came
good.
to the UK in 2014, but landed with JDAs in New Zealand. However, since returned to New Zealand, he's one of the markings of the 7th Squadron All Flying Corps aircraft.
On its way home, he was on bombing reconnaissances, filling at the Battle of the Somme. And the DH9 now parked up next to it from the historic aircraft collection. In comes Paul Ford's SE-5A replica,
Followed by the World War I SE-5A, another reproduction from the vintage Aviator in New Zealand, built to the highest standards, including its Mercedes D3 engine. In its papers, the aircraft in London also kidnapped a Bavarian commanded Yacht Shuttle 23B of the Royal Bavarian Flying Corps and saw 20 aerial victories. His operational career was ended when he crashed. Sopwith camels had been captured by the Germans in late May 1918, and he died a year later in a mountaineer in this sack. This aircraft has been in the UK with the World War I Aviation Heritage Trust, Paul Ford's ER1 replica. Scratch film that took more than 5 years to complete. Finished as one of Mount Connery for these wartime mounts, aircraft of which he saw 9 of his 80 areas who were doing battle there in our representation of the Western Front of the First World War were Jean-Michel Munn in the BE-2E, Clive Denning in the DH9, Tom Turner in the SE-5A, John Gilbert in the